Challenging working site conditions increase the need for machines that are easy and flexible to assemble in tight conditions by a single person. The market demand of lighter, modular and user-friendly fusion equipment for quick and reliable piping installations inside the buildings, where space is limited, dictates the next machine's generation design. Widos proudly presents the first machine of this generation. The ultimate welding machine 355 Flex. New generation of butt welding machines for field and on-site works. Basic machine. Lightweight and compact design. Robust construction. No screws, spring-loaded bolts concept. Easy to assemble and disassemble at site. 2, 3, or 4-ring working configuration. Fast change-out or replacement of cylinders. Easy handling and over-the-head operation. Easy transportation. Features: basic machine, heating element, planer, protection box, reduce inserts or adapter. For more information and technical data, scan the QR code displayed on the screen. http://np. Widos.de